Hi everyone, my name is Michelle. In today's ZBrush tutorial, I'm going to scale Julie into real-world size using my height. This way, I can measure the length and width of the skirt to real-world measurements. Press comma to open up Lightbox. Under Tool, double-click Julie to import it into the toolbox. It says Updating Additive Shape Layers at the top left corner here. ZBrush is referring to this Layers tab where you can record the progression of a modeling process, then dialing the intensity up or down with this slider here. We'll come back to this at the Layers stage. Let's just extend the edges of the canvas according to the size of the monitor. Under Document, New Document with Auto Fit window size on. Then click on New Document. Select Julie tool from Toolbox. Place Julie, click and drag on the canvas, then let go. Press T to turn 2.5D to 3D editing. Open up Subtool tab to check that the body is the active subtool, or press Shift F to turn on Polyframe to check. I'm going to use this Body subtool to resize the whole model. Go under Z plugin, then Scale Master to change the measurement unit to millimeters. Under Scale Master, there's a button called Set Scene Scale. Click on it and a dialog box will pop up with the type of units to measure in. In my case, I'm going to use millimeters, so I'm clicking on this. Then under Z plugin, request for the subtool measurement of Julie's body with this button. Sliders to subtool size and with ratio lock button on. The numbers displayed here are the measurements of Julie's body subtool, with 180mm as the Y value. I want to change the Y value to my own height, 1560mm. Keep Resize subtool with all button on and click on Resize subtool. When the all button is on, it will resize all the other subtools. If off, just the selected one body subtool. Once resizing is done, the model will fit to screen. Just to be sure, let's check the size under Z plugin again. Under Scale Master, then Sliders to subtool size. The Y height value is 1527mm instead of 1560mm. Why is that? Let's fix that. Go under Geometry and check the subdivision levels. Slide the subdivision level to level 5. This should increase the accuracy of the mesh and increase the number of active points. Then, check the Y height value again. It should say 1560mm. If you want to manually measure the model, you can do so by generating a fitting box either around just the body or the whole model. New subtool generates a fitting box around the selected subtool, while New Bounding Box subtool generates a fitting box around all subtools, which includes the height or thickness of the hair. Let me click on New Bounding Box subtool. A large box will cover up the whole model, and when I open up Subtool List, at the bottom I will see the generated bounding box. To measure, press W to launch Gizmo and Y to change it to Transpose tool. Snap and click at the top right point of the box, then snap and click at the bottom right point. The Y value will be displayed at the top left corner of the screen, 1565mm, which includes the height of the hair. Let me check the subdivision level is at the highest level. Okay, it is. If I want to just measure from the tip of the head to the toes without the hair, I can do so by selecting the body subtool, go under Scale Master again, and click on New Subtool. New Subtool will add a new bounding box around the one selected subtool. In my case right now is just the body. So the reading should be exactly 1560 millimeters. Let's go back to Z plugin, then Scale Master, and then Sliders to subtool size. There it is, 1559.9 millimeters. If you like my tutorial, please give me a like and subscribe. I'll continue on with rigging next. I'll see you in the next video. Adios!